Okay, so we pulled this small cam out of that other deal, and now we're gonna strip some clutches off and get ready to throw it in the Mack. So we got to pull this clutch plate off to put to this clutch. This is the one out of the Mack, and from what we did for the measuring, it won't work with the newer clutch, so we got to put this one in it. So we're gonna get busy here. Alright, so we got the Mack up here, and I'm starting to pressure wash the thing. Getting all this grease that'll come off of here. So I will get busy. So you think this motor will look pretty good when I'm done with it here?
And paint it comes red. I'll probably start running like an ISX.
Okay, I finished what I'm gonna do for now. It's a whole lot better. So now I gotta raise it up, wait for some of this dirt to dry a little bit, and we're gonna throw it in the truck.
I'd be afraid that thing would wind up and start tearing things apart in here. Strip your gold grind, tiny gears.
Okay, so yeah, your goal is to not let it hit the steering box.
Well, that's my goal. His goal is to get it centered inside here. Yeah, I can move this back and forth.
Well, I was gonna have you in the truck.
Oh, you're gonna have me in the truck?
Him just spin the motor around, keep it from whacking it.
Okay, I was in the opposite. I thought he was steering the truck. Okay, I can do it.
You'll have a better idea where the truck needs to go than you will. But as long as he knows that that's not supposed to hit him.
Shove that right through the windshield. That's where Russell wants it.
Yeah, this frame is a whole lot wider.
Yeah.
So as long as he misses that, it should be alright. But we don't want to hit the cab.
This thing needs you to stop soon, though. I'm gonna get a light so when you get close, I can wave it at you.
More precise than before with the chain of just swinging.
We can drop her down a bit.
No, centered so. No. Hold it like this now.
I'm waiting.
I know.
Taking forever. We don't got all day. It's burning daylight.
Chain
It's burning daylight in China.
I'm sure they don't care.
Probably don't. What happened?
I don't have enough weight on this boom.
Oh.
It's spinning out.
Huh.
So I'm gonna just lift up on the pipe some, and that should give me enough traction. That's one nice thing about the boom. I can only get myself some more traction.
Yeah, because you only got about a foot to go.
Yeah, I just started hopping and didn't go anymore.
I heard a noise. I couldn't figure out what was going on. I guess it's not me.
Okay. Actually, are we over the drag link?
Nope.
Nope.
We'll say let's go back.
About as far as we can go, probably.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back and as far as we can go.
Or is it appears it can go?
Yeah. Hey, come back! You lost all your ground. Stop. Feel up in there. Supposed to be right. Okay. Chin me back. Go forward again. Make sure it's nice and neutral too.
Should be. It's rolling.
Well, that doesn't mean anything. It would check and turn, even if it's in gear.
Yeah. Okay, so we goofed. We had to change the flywheel clutch, the flywheel housing, but we didn't pay close enough attention. There's a water inlet there for the after cooler. That's going to hit the firewall. And so would the after cooler. So we took the after cooler off, and we're going to convert it straight over to just a regular intake.
Probably better too, we got all that rust.
So now we just got to get the back thing off and put a plug in there and then put the motor in. So anyway, alright, so after we fixed our oops last night, we're almost ready to go back in.
Yep.
Soon as I find Doc a screwdriver. And so we put a plug in where that other thing was, and we're just about ready to shove it on. Well, she's in, all bolted up, and on the bell housing. And tonight, we're gonna bolt that up. Had to pull it out and redo the clutch, but so you can see the after cooler would have been right up against here. See, it's pretty tight back there, and then there's a few lines that are touching, but I should be able to modify that a little bit and make them work. So we're gonna go have some fun the rest of today, and work on this after dark tonight. Get the cross member in when the sun's not so hot. Okay, so so last night's fun went longer than we expected, so we're gonna try and change the motor mount this morning. So we just gotta pretty much take this motor mount off and jack it up, the motor up as much as we can. Take off these bolts here so we can lift the frame up so we can spin these out of the way. Probably pull this off so we can slide the other motor mount on and then put it all back together and set it back down. So we're gonna get busy here. Okay, so it's in. Sitting on the motor mount. I gotta get some new bolts to put in everything, but it's temporary bolted up. I gotta put the top on here. Bolted to the tranny. It's in there to stay, hopefully. And so yeah, now I got more work ahead of me. Like changing this stuff over and swapping out some stuff here and manifolds and some other stuff. So more work ahead of me. Not enough time to do it all in at one shot. So a lot more videos to come till it's all back together and driving around in a circle. So anyway, Doc, he's getting ready to leave. So go check his YouTube channel out, Diesel Doc, for similar videos of what they have in Washington.
Yeah.
He's got videos, maybe not, they don't come out very often, but they're just as good.
Yeah, I've been in the process of moving recently, so hopefully the videos pick back up. I don't know. Don't even have a shop, so if they do pick back up, it's all going to be in dirt, maybe gravel. I don't know. Might not get the driveway in soon enough. But I should have a couple posting up here in a little bit. But yeah.
So yeah, check his channel out, subscribe to it, and keep watching mine for more on this truck and the auto car and cab overs and everything in between. So thanks for helping me.
Yeah.
And I'll have to help you out with one.
Yeah, I'll have to get a project going. And I'm tired of getting you motors. Or swapping motors with you. This is getting boring. Every time I meet this guy, I gotta help him with the motor swap.
Or some sort of motor or something.
Yeah, something.
So yeah, you'll have to get one, maybe that cab over you're looking at.
Maybe, or I'll start the restoration on a GMC.
Yeah.
I'd like to get that
part.
Yeah, I'd like to get that cab over though.
So anyway.
Yeah.
Have fun driving back to Washington.
Yeah, it's only 7 hours.